Hi guys, Alpha of here. So I've been scalping. You guys know that me, I prefer scalping. I'm a scalper, right? I took a trade earlier today, and the trade entered my TP. It was a 100% profit trade, right? Is it up to 100? I think it was 94 or thereabout. But then it was a very smooth trade. Then I saw after I got to my TP, the market now showed signs that it was going to reverse. Then I decided to wait. When I saw a very good setup, exactly what I was explaining in the long trade I took, the double bottom to the top, I saw a double top to the downward side, and when I saw that setup, I decided to jump in. So I'm going to switch to my trading view and my chart from my phone. I'm going to show you guys what I saw and why I took that trade. Now, the reason I make videos like this is number one, to document the process. Number two, to prove to people that trading is actually a skill. Trading is not gambling. Trading is something that you need to learn and you need to know how it works. So when you figure it out, when you're looking at the market, you know specifically what you're waiting for. When you see that thing, you jump in. A lot of people just believe they can make money, and when it's going up, they pursue the market up. Then it's coming down, they pursue the market down. No, it's not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to have something you are waiting for. Then when you see the market do that thing, so you know that when I see A and B, then I will do C. You understand? So I see some things, then I take my trade, then I know where to put my stop loss, I know my take profits, I know what I'm risking, I know what I'm leveraging. If you don't have these ideas, I encourage you to always stick to this channel, because from time to time I'll be dropping tips while I'm explaining my trades. That being said, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. If you are getting any value at all, like my video, just like it so that the algorithm is going to allow more people to see it. And you can leave a comment, right? And by the way, I have a book on chart pattern that has really helped me skyrocket my trading game. A lot of people have been requesting for that book. You can check the link in the description, or you can check the pinned comment in this video, right? So let's head over to my phone screen. So guys, like I always do, this is my book of chart and candlestick patterns, right? Now the trade I took, now you can see it here. The market went here, came back, went back, formed a double top, and what happened? The price broke and came straight downward, right? This is what I saw. This is a classic chart pattern, and I'm going to show you guys the setup, how I took the trade, and how you can also benefit. So if you want this book, you can check the link in the description, send me a message, then for a token you can get it. But in the how you take a long position when you see the double bottom pattern, the W pattern, and I said the reverse of this pattern is what you look out for when you want to short. If you want to short, is the opposite, so you're going to look for an M pattern. Now this particular trade, if you look at this trade, it is a very certain trade that is going to come down. And from my entry position to this place is a risk to reward ratio 1:2. And for me to explain it clearly, to show you guys clearly, I have to open my trading view. Now let me come to my trading view and show you guys what I mean. This is my trading view. You can see obviously I am scalping the shit out of this, and I'm telling you this is a short trade. I have been waiting for this trade, and if you come to the 15 minutes time frame, you're going to see a clear reversal pattern. And how you see this M pattern, I'm going to show you guys. This is where the market broke the trend line. This is the trend line here. I took the long trade. This is the shorting of the trade. Now guess what is going to happen now? I'm going to switch this on this 15 minutes time frame. I'm going to turn it to line so that you can see clearly the M pattern, because sometimes you might not be able to see these patterns easily. Look at it. So let me zoom. Can you see the M pattern here? Look at it in this place, M. You see the M pattern, so the M pattern is a double top. Now it's a double pop pattern. This is where the double top pattern is. And if you look at this place, I had already marked it in my screen. So one thing I can guarantee is that with this kind of setup, this trade is going to first reach here. It will reach this place, sure banker, because this is the next support area. So this will be a 1 risk to reward ratio is 1:2. I've checked it before now. This is an easy trade, 1:2, the first one. And then if you want to now take the trade and you want to allow it to run, you can just say when you get to 1:2, you can allow it to push further, right? Because there's a psychological area in this place, and this is 3.50. So it is a sure trade. And let me remove the line and show you guys the chart now. Look at it, the price is just going smoothly to that particular position, right? So basically what I'm trying to explain to you is that this thing works. It works. If you understand chart pattern clearly, you will see that even on the higher time frame, this is an M pattern, a reversal pattern. Let me show you again. Let me change this to line. You can see this is a clear double top on the 1 hour time frame. Whatever you are seeing on the higher time frame, you also see it on the lower time frame. You can see it, a clear M pattern on the 1 hour time frame, which means this price must definitely come down. It is overbought already, so it's going to pull back, right? And then you take your shorting position. And I'm not just saying this because I just want to say it. I'm saying this because I'm actually in this trade. Now let me show you guys. If I come to my trading, my Bybit. All right, so let me open my Bybit to you guys, and you can see I took this trade with how many dollars? I'm going to expand it. I took it with how many dollars? $2. And right now I'm in how many percent profit? Come to trade. Look at it. I'm already in 20% profit, right? So I'm just going to take the trade till I go to my take profit position, right? What I do is I scalp. That is why you see me most of the time. I open my position with little amount of money. I scalp, pick $2 here, pick $5 here, pick $3 here. At the end of the day, I end up making a good chunk of money because I see these opportunities from time to time. Looking from my chart, you can see when the market was going up. So looking at this, you can see when the market was going up, I was in a longing position. When the market is reversing and coming down, I'm in a shorting position because I know, like I can see it clearly when I see the pattern. Right, this is a reversal pattern and it's going to come down. Some people that would want to actually ride this trade, you want to hold it for long, it will come as low as this, but me, I just cap it, take what I want to take, and I get out. Right, if I take here, if it comes to this position, I close a part of the drop and profit, then I can now allow it to run to this next area. Do you understand? This next support area, right? I just said I should show you guys this particular trade setup because I like showing my trades, so that people can know that we don't just only come here to teach tutorials or try to explain things we are not doing. We have a lot of YouTubers that are claiming that they are teaching you how to trade, but you will never see them take any trade. I actually take live trades that I'm explaining to you guys, right? So that being said, if you find this content helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on. Please make sure when you want to trade, you do not trade more than what you can afford to risk. And before you begin to use your money to trade, you know what you're doing. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Pure price action. Price is steadily moving to the direction I want it to go, and the risk to reward ratio is 1:2. And I'm going to take a partial closure in this place because I know this price is going to push and come down more, and I'll take the remaining closure in this place where I'm touching here because these are psychological areas. But before then, I'd have taken partial closure so that I can lock in some profit.